4 of this IDFC First Bank Test Series. It's India versus Bangladesh from the MA Chidambaram Stadium. India 376 after being 144 for 6 and then dominating the game thereafter. Bangladesh now need 357. They have a mere 6 wickets in hand.
The skipper is still unbeaten on 51 of 60. But all eyes will be on Shakib Al Hasan. He's gone missing in the last 6 innings. No 50s for him. Mohammad Siraj will open the proceedings here.
See, it's definitely wants to do something. Shakib with that city point there. Either the sweep or he's looking to use the speed here. And it's a chance that goes away.
And Shakib Al Hasan is on his way back.
Come at the man, come at the hour. Or rather the other way around. For the moment, Ashwin picks up his 4th in Chennai. Shakib Al Hasan
So clear. Really, the wicket seemed like it was knocking on the door. Where he was never in what Wickham does.
What makes India a very hard destination for batters?
That's going to say Shant but it's over. 82.
Yeah, he'd be disappointed. Looking for that big heave down the leg side and gets the leading edge. Trying to hit on the onside and getting caught on the offside. It's a well-judged catch. And just with Bumrah. The captain's innings comes to an end. Shantu goes after putting up a fight for 82. It's 2-2.
And then that's it. Curtains. Ravindra Jadeja doing the cleaner back. And India winning by 281 runs to clinch this first Test match.
Comprehensive win. Jadeja moves to 299. 300 awaits him in
Back-to-back 5-wicket also him. Bangladesh holding for 149. India 287 for 4 in their second innings and then finishing Bangladesh for 234 runs. So taking this first.